In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how many stories should you have on your Instagram account in every 24-hour frame. In my channel, you can expect exciting marketing tips and my best social media tips and the latest marketing trends and what you can do to get more leads and convert them to customers for your business. So Instagram Stories is becoming one of the top rising features that most people are actually using. And research has shown that the optimal number of stories you should have on your account is about 11. That's when you can get the maximum amount of engagement. People are likely to look at 11 clips of your stories. Does it mean that you shouldn't publish anything more than that? No. For some of the bigger brands, 20 to 30 clips on your channel itself, people are still willing to click on next and next and next all the way to the last clip. But that's only if you are very famous. So if your brand is not newly established, putting out like 30 clips or 40 clips in a 24-hour frame is not really useful for you. I would say it's a waste of your time and your efforts because nobody's going to read all those posts, so you might as well focus your efforts on doing marketing activities in other areas. So you want your users to be excited by your stories, they want to know more, they want to see some fun side and humorous side. Another useful tip for you is, if you know on your profile page you can see that there's this highlights little icons next to underneath your profile description and picture. So you can use that to keep your stories on an evergreen mode. So if there are certain stories that really correlate with the brand topics that you want to share with, you can add this to your highlight and categorize them accordingly. So if someone who is really interested in your brand, they want to check out other parts of your stories, they can actually see the old stories that you have put up, categorized on your profile page. How many Instagram stories do you create per day? Do you find that you get more eyeballs on your stories when you create more, or when you create less? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear from you. If you found this video useful, please tap on the like button. I'll really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my exciting videos. I'll see you next week. Bye!